Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today I will show you a fast and easy version of a popular snack named Flammkuchen, or often called German pizza. This snack is especially popular in the south of Germany and the Alsace region of France. If you love thin crust pizza, you will like this snack with its thin and crispy crust. Add all ingredients for the dough to a bowl and knead for about 10 minutes. Peel the onions and cut them into halves, then slice them finely. Add about 1/8 cup water to a large non-stick pan and fry the onions until they are translucent. Mix the sour cream, heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper in a bowl. Then roll out the dough into a rectangle and place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread the sour cream mixture evenly on top of the dough. Sprinkle the top with bacon bits and onion slices. Then bake the German pizza for 20 to 30 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve with a glass of white wine or apple juice. Guten Appetit!